So the idea about one phone call, let me take a big picture view and then we'll dial it in. So you have a Fifth Amendment right to counsel, and you know about this from the Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney, okay, which means if the police are going to question you, you have the right to have a lawyer there. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel is having the right to an attorney being with you during adversarial proceedings. So this is the right to have an attorney with you during trial, during court, that kind of thing. Those rights come together at the time that you are arrested, which is where you can ask to speak to an attorney at that moment. The officers will give you an opportunity to talk to a lawyer. Usually, they give you that opportunity provided it does not interfere with their investigation. In DUI cases, the evidence is often disappearing because it's alcohol related, and alcohol dissipates when it's in the blood or breath, and officers are trying to get a blood draw or get a breath sample. Defendants will often ask to speak to an attorney at that moment in order to make a decision about whether or not to give a breath test or a blood sample. Officers will give them a limited amount of time to be able to make that phone call. If the person is unable to reach an attorney, the officers will say, okay, I need you to make a decision about the breath test or the blood draw, and unfortunately, the driver is sort of stuck with that decision. As long as the officer gives them a chance to contact somebody, there is no Sixth Amendment right to counsel violation. Often what happens then is when the person is taken into custody, if they're booked into the jail or something like that, they'll be given another opportunity when they're there to try and contact somebody to come and pick them up, or they can try and re-engage with their lawyer at that time.